Welcome. In this video, we will describe the new slide-in function of the widget. As a recap, in previous tutorials, you learned how to embed the widget with an iframe code. This required modifying your page layout and often rearranging content to fit the widget properly. Now we have a new option, a slide-in function using a simple script. This allows you to display the widget without making any modifications to your page content. Let's see how that looks. There are several options to trigger the appearance. First, let's look at the click icon reveal. When you enable this, an icon with the MoodCast symbol appears on the page. When a visitor clicks this icon, the widget slides in from the side, in this case, from the right. Of course, you should not have both the embedded widget and the slide-in widget on the same page. If you use the slide-in, you should remove the embedded version. You can close the slide-in widget by clicking the X in the top right corner, or by clicking anywhere outside the widget. If the page is reloaded, the icon reappears, allowing the visitor to trigger it again. Now, let's see how to configure this in the back end of MoodCast Pro. Here we are in the dashboard. We have our original widget, but before enabling the slide-in, it is important to note, enabling slide-in display will disable the standard embed code. Therefore, it is better to copy your widget first using the duplicate function in the menu. On our duplicated widget, we can now activate the slide-in option. Here, you can select the slide direction, either from the right or the left. Next is the trigger type. Options include time delay, scroll depth, exit intent, and click icon. If you choose click icon, you can select the icon position. I prefer center right as it looks natural and avoids conflict with chatbots or other buttons typically found at the bottom of the page. Next is the display frequency. You can set this to every page load, once a day, or once per session. Every page load works well for the click icon trigger, but for automatic triggers like time delay, it might be annoying for visitors. In those cases, limit the frequency. There is also page targeting. I suggest selecting all pages here and controlling where the script loads directly on your website to avoid conflicts. Let's test the different triggers. First, time delay. We will set this to 7 seconds. After saving changes and reloading our page, the icon is gone, and instead, the widget automatically slides in after 7 seconds. Now, let's adjust the widget size. We will increase the height to 900 pixels. We will also change the trigger to scroll depth and set it to 50%. After saving and reloading the page, the widget now slides in only when we scroll down to 50% of the page height. You can see more of the widget is visible now, but we can maximize it further. Let's go back and set the height to the maximum of 1000 pixels. We will also change the trigger to exit intent. Note, when using exit intent, the match type must be set to all pages to prevent potential errors on your site. We save the changes and return to our demo site. Reloading the page, nothing happens as we scroll. However, the moment we move the cursor outside the browser window, simulating an exit, the widget slides in. With the height set to 1000 pixels, almost the entire widget is visible without scrolling. With the slide-in activated, your embed code has changed. You will see a new script which replaces the old iframe code. The most straightforward way to install this is to add the script into the HTML of your site, just before the closing tag. And there you have it. The new slide-in function is a powerful addition that keeps your site layout clean while maximizing engagement. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Thank you for watching.